Hi, I'm Molly with West Virginia University Extension Service Family Nutrition Program, and today we're going to make a spinach strawberry salad. It's always a good idea before you start cooking to read through the recipe, gather all your ingredients up, wash any fresh fruits and vegetables under running water, wash your hands, and clean your cooking surface. I've just done all that, so I'm ready to get started. Now, our recipe has fresh strawberries in it. I've already started to cut up some, but when you're cutting fresh strawberries, you just want to cut off the green part on the top, make a flat surface, and then go through and slice it into small pieces, and then add that to our bowl. And you need about a cup, as I said, but you can use more or less. I'll do one more. Make your flat surface and then go through and slice it. Add those to our bowl. Now, I said our salad is a spinach salad, and I've got a time saver for you. This bag of baby spinach is washed and ready to eat. So I'm just going to pop it open. The recipe calls for about 5 ounces of fresh spinach. This bag is 6 ounces. So we're just gonna go ahead and add it all. Baby spinach is just a little more tender than its grown-up counterpart. We are going to add our strawberries. Our recipe also has feta cheese, and this is a 1/4 cup of crumbled feta cheese, and this just adds a nice saltiness to our salad. So we've got the sweet strawberries, the salty feta cheese, and then we've got a 1/4 cup of toasted pecans or walnuts. This, of course, is optional, but it adds a nice, healthy, plant-based protein to your salad. And to toast pecans or walnuts, you just want to either put them on a cookie sheet and put them in the oven until you start to smell them. Keep a very close eye on them because they can burn quickly. I like to do it on a skillet on my stove. Just kind of shake them around on low heat until you start to smell that nuttiness, and then you know you're done. I'm gonna sprinkle those on top, and I'm gonna toss this around a little bit before I add my dressing. And you could use kale instead of spinach if you prefer kale. You could always massage your kale or spinach to kind of soften it up a little bit before you add your fruit and cheese and nuts. Once this is kind of mixed in, I have a strawberry poppy seed dressing that we're going to add. You could also make your own vinaigrette. Very easy with oil, salt, vinegar, lemon juice. You could add a little hot sauce in there, and we're gonna drizzle that on top and continue to toss it around. Once this sits for a little bit, it will start to wilt and become more manageable. But I'm ready to give it a try. I'm gonna add a little bit of spinach in my bowl and definitely make sure I get some of these fresh strawberries, feta cheese, and pecans. And I'm gonna give it a try. Get a piece of everything in my bite. That is really good. This could be a whole meal. You could add a grilled chicken breast to this if you'd like some animal-based protein. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you give our strawberry spinach salad recipe a try, and we'll see you again real soon.